I'm Cynthia Ruth. In this video, I will share with you several simple equations that you could use to solve basic multiplication and division word problems. Welcome to Ruth Straight Talk, the channel designed to help teachers, parents, and students live fuller lives, become lifelong learners, and grow into the awesome human beings you were designed to be. In elementary school, you're not just expected to solve word problems, you must also be able to identify and write equations to represent them. If you don't know the equation, it could be very difficult for you to solve the problem. Every equation contains a variable which represents the unknown part of the word problem. It is important to keep in mind that one word problem can be correctly represented by several different equations. Number one, multiplication. Your clue that a word problem requires multiplication is that it involves multiple groups of a given size. For example, 3 friends might bake 24 cookies each. The groups are the 24 cookies, and the multiples would be the 3 friends. Then you will be asked to find the total number of cookies baked. To represent this problem, we could write the following equation. 3 times 24 equals the variable or the unknown. And of course, your answer is 72 cookies. Another example is someone pays $1.50 each for 7 books. In this example, the group is the 7 books, and the multiple is the $1.50 each. You're required to find the total cost of the books. This equation would look like $1.50 times 7 equals an unknown, or the variable, and of course the answer is $10.50. Here we simply perform the multiplication to get the answers. However, other multiplication word problems are not so straightforward. For instance, imagine you are asked this question. Sally paid $10.50 for 7 books. If all the books were the same price, how much did she pay for each book? This can be considered a division problem because it can be represented like this. $10.50 divided by 7 equals the unknown or the variable. However, it can also be expressed in any of the following ways. For A, 7 times the unknown equals $10.50. B, the unknown times 7 equals $10.50. $10.50 equals the unknown times 7, or also $10.50 equals 7 times the unknown. Any of these equations will be true if the correct answer of $1.50 is substituted for the unknown, and the unknown can also be replaced with variables such as X or Y, or really any letter of the alphabet. It is important to understand that word problems can be represented by several different equations, because when you take a multiple choice test, you may be provided with any one of them as the correct answer. Number 2, division. Division word problems usually tell you about a group of items, and then they will ask you to figure out something about the individual item. As with the problem earlier, they might give you the total cost of a certain number of items and ask you to figure out the cost per item. They may also look like this. Amanda's plant grew 14 inches in 1 week. If it grew the same amount each day, how many inches did it grow on Tuesday? The group is the 14 inches in 1 week or in 7 days. The individual item is how much it grew in 1 day or how much it grew on Tuesday. Since the plant grew 14 inches over 1 week or 7 days, the number of inches that it grew each day can be represented by the equation 14 divided by 7 equals the unknown or the variable. Since 14 divided by 7 equals 2, the plant grew 2 inches on Tuesday, or the plant grew 2 inches each day. However, the problem can also be represented by any number of equations listed below, because substituting 2 for the unknown makes the equation true. For example, A, 14 divided by the unknown equals 2. B, 7 times the unknown equals 14. C, the unknown times 7 equals 14, or 7 times the unknown equals 14. So there you have it, simple ways to develop equations from simple multiplication and division word problems. Thank you so much for visiting with us at ruthstraighttalk.com. If this video has helped you, please like us and leave us a comment at the bottom of the screen. And please subscribe to my channel for more great videos like this one. Until next time, happy learning and goodbye.